Stakeholder engagement is necessary for individuals and teams to make informed decisions about their most important relationships. This activity helps people gain insight into the depth, strength, and diversity of their stakeholders. Determining how critical each relationship is to the team's overarching goals is valuable for prioritizing stakeholder wants and needs. In addition to significance, the activity also identifies attitudes toward stakeholders, level of trust to delegate to them, and how influential they are to team strategy. This exercise should take about 60 minutes if completed in a team setting, and 30 to 45 minutes if in an individual setting. To facilitate this exercise, you're going to instruct team members to draw a representation of the web of their internal and external relationships. Tell them to be creative. There is no single right way to do this. Map out who the key stakeholders are for their most important project. Put themselves on the map along with the other stakeholders. Put each stakeholder and themselves in their own circle. Draw lines between their circle and those of the stakeholders to denote the importance of each relationship in getting their job done. Thickness, number, or color of lines are options. Rate the quality of each relationship from 1 to 10, with 10 being the most positive. They can also have resistors on their map, people with whom they have less constructive relationships. Within each circle, rate how significant the stakeholder is to their job. The size of the circle can represent their level of trust to delegate to them or frequency with which they work with them. They should also denote where they need to further build relationships. They should consider the current state of their map versus what they want it to look like in a year's time. They will want to consider the steps they want to take to make those changes and decide which stakeholders are most important to prioritize strategy around. Conduct a gallery walk where each team member can review the person's stakeholder map and stick a post-it wherever they think they can help support a relationship through insight or involvement. Let's see a simulation of this exercise. Great job on your stakeholder mapping, folks, and great job on the feedback that you gave to each other. Lexi, what are some of the action items, takeaways that you're taking from the feedback that you got on your stakeholder mapping?
Thanks, Dan. Yeah, thank you everyone for your input. I really appreciate it. Thank you, Liz. Also, I'm definitely going to take advantage of that. Hopefully we can all meet with Samantha because I definitely need to build my relationship with her. And thank you, Bennett, for recommending I reach out to John. I will be sure to do that.